today we introduce a new system. We have a newborn in Saumu Empire, AutoMajiBot. It's an automated irrigation system whereby it can use or it can be incorporated with drip irrigation, lane hose, sprinklers, or any of overhead irrigation. The system so far right now it's first stages whereby it's only watering, and we are hoping that we shall develop it and advance it, applying fertilizers, sprayable fertilizers or foliars, and also noticing infections like blight. Also, we are also doing some research on how to incorporate it with a way of controlling pests. So I'll let Hilary explain more experience of how he has experienced the system on the cloud.
Welcome to the farm where I'm using AutoMajiBot system. I've been using this system for the past 3 months, and it has been really helpful. The system is so great because considering the crop that I'm doing here, which is garlic, it requires a consistent level of moisture level in the soil. And previously this has been a challenge because sometimes you may not be there to water the crops or open the tap system manually. So sometimes you may end up having an inconsistency in watering. But since I've started using this system, it has been really great because the watering is on time, and the consistency in terms of the moisture level which we want, because with this system you're able to set the required level of moisture that you want, depending, which now it will depend from one crop to the other. So for me with garlic, I want a certain level of moisture which now is set. That means I'm able to achieve that consistency in watering in terms of moisture level in the soil. So this system it can be a very good upgrade for many farmers, because one thing, of course, it lowers a bit in terms of cost, that is labor cost, because you don't have to have somebody on the farm to turn on the tap and off. The system just does it for you, and to add on that, it also gives you a notification to show you if every time the tap is open, or even just other times when it checks the moisture and the moisture is okay. So you're able to have that track of what is happening on the farm. So this system is very great, and I want to encourage other farmers to try to apply these new technologies that we're having in the market to be able to increase our productivity as farmers. And of course, now that we're able to get that to improve our food security, definitely as a country.
I'm David, heading the Department of Robotics at Saumu Empire, and recently we've developed a system called AutoMajiBot, and its main purpose in a farm is to determine and water the plant as per the requirement. Basically, there are 3 components. We have a microcontroller, that is basically the brain. We have a gate, and we have a soil moisture content sensor. The process will start from the farm itself, and what we've done is that we've put a sensor inside the farm. What the sensor does is to collect data regarding the soil's moisture content and sends the same data to our microcontroller. The microcontroller will interpret the data and instruct the gate on what to do. For example, when the soil moisture content is below as per the required levels, the microcontroller will instruct the gate to open the tap, and the water will flow into our farm, thus enabling the watering the plants. At the same time, you may realize that the soil's water moisture content is okay. In this case, the microcontroller will instruct the gate to close the tap, and once the tap has been closed, no water will be allowed to go to the farm. At the same time, the process of watering might be happening, and in that case, the microcontroller will instruct the gate to close to stop the process.